Ghana mourns helicopter crash victims. On August 7, 2025, the Ghana Air Force Z-9 helicopter crashed in Adansi Akrophom, Ashanti region, killing all 8 aboard, including 2 cabinet ministers and senior military officers. On August 7, 2025, a visibly emotional President John Mahama addressed the nation, calling the crash a devastating loss. Quote, "We've lost our brightest. Mind, let us unite in this moment of sorrow." Mahama announced an investigative board of inquiry to uncover the crash's cause, stating, "Flight data and cockpit voice recorders are secured for analysis." He urged Ghanaians to avoid politicizing the tragedy. On August 7, 2025, the remains of the 8 victims were transported to South Africa via Ibrahim Mahama's Zada private jet for DNA identification to confirm identities for proper burial. President Julius Maada Bio of Sierra Leone visited Ghana to offer condolences, reinforcing regional unity during this time of mourning. Mahama praised the gesture as a symbol of solidarity. The 2 Muslim victims, Al-Haji Dr. Murtala Mohammed, Environment Minister, and Al-Haji Muniru Mohammed Lamuna, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator, will be buried on August 10, 2025, at the military cemetery in Accra, following Islamic rites. A 3-day national mourning period began August 7th, with flags at half-mast. An evening of reflection and memorial is set for August 9, 2025, Environment Minister, at 5 p.m. at the State House, followed by a state funeral Acting on Deputy August National 15th Security Coordinator Square. Will be buried on August 10, 2025, at the military cemetery in Accra, following Islamic rites.